The third way is what we're going to focus on today, and that's doing compound exercises. Compound exercises are where we take two movements or two exercises and put them together. When we make compound exercises, there are three main ways that we can make compound exercises. We call it mending, matching, and patching. Everybody say mending, matching, patching. Mending, matching, patching. Okay. We'll start off with a match, because a match is the easiest. Right? A classic example of a match would be a clean and jerk. I clean, and the first exercise ends where the second exercise begins. Right? So one ends where the next one begins. That's a match, and we repeat, clean and jerk, clean and jerk, clean and jerk, clean and jerk. Match, one ends when the second one begins. The next way that we can create compound exercises is a mend. Right? When we mend, the two exercises overlap, they blend together. For example, what the CrossFitters often call a thruster, right, would be an example of a mend. Right? You've got a shoulder press and you've got a squat, but they're already starting to press on the way up. Right? And then on the way down, they're already starting to squat. So the two exercises are overlapping each other, which is very different than doing squat, press, squat, press. That wouldn't be a mend, that would be a what? That would be a match. But if we change the timing of them so that they can go over each other, overlap each other, then it's a mend. Okay. The third way that you can create a compound exercise is by doing a patch. A patch, you can almost think of it like 3 exercises instead of just 2. In a patch, you need an extra movement to connect the end of one to the beginning of the other. For example, maybe I wanted to do a row and a push-up. So I'm here, and I do a row, but now to get into push-up position, I have to do that. And then I push up, and then I have to do that to get into the row. So this and this are my what? Patch. My patch that connected the two exercises. What are the 3 ways that you can create a compound exercise? With your group, you're going to come up with 2 compound exercises. Okay? You have to use 2 out of those 3 techniques. You need to do a mend and a match and a patch, or a patch and a mend. It's a secret. Don't let the other groups hear what you did. You're then going to demonstrate the exercises. You do about 5 reps of each as a group performing for the other groups. And after you've done the exercises, they have to guess, was that a match or a mend or a patch? Which technique did you use? Partially, it's reinforcing the concepts, but it's also training your eyes. Because there's a difference between the students in your class who are doing this and the students in your class who are doing this. Which one did you want them to do? I can use a heavier weight and use momentum to push it up. That's a very different metabolic effect than if I'm doing a squat and then a strict press, where I might not be able to press this heavy weight. So you need to train your eye. Is what you told them to do really what they're doing? Another good example of that is a burpee. Down, back, push, up, in, jump. But then you see people doing this. And they're already right there. They skipped that extra movement. They jumped right back into the low position of the push-up. Which one did you want? It's not that one's right and one's wrong. It's what did Simon say? what did you want them to do, and why. Okay, so with your group, 2 out of the 3, you get the kettlebells, you'll practice it. You get points for being in unison, for performing them together. You'll perform about 5 reps on each side when you perform into the group of your 2 exercises.